Need a moment of pure relaxation? This chamomile and fresh lemon tea is a perfect way to unwind. To make this smoothing chamomile and fresh lemon tea, you'll need a bit of lemon, a bit of honey, fresh organic honey, and you need some hot water. I'll be using about 2 cups of hot water, 2 tea bags of chamomile tea. Try to get the best quality, like organic one. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the water and I'm going to bring the water to a boil. And you'll need 2 tea bags in this, chamomile tea bags. I'm putting 3 slices of lemon in this to start with. And you're going to just let it boil a little bit. Then I'm going to turn the fire off and then let it steep a bit. And then get your teapot, and then we're gonna strain off our chamomile tea. This tea is lovely and it's very good to help you relax. It's so smoothing, tasty, and delicious. And it's a great herbal tea, on a daily basis. So what I'm gonna do, and it's personal preference, I'm gonna put the honey in. And the reason why I'm putting the honey in first, that's when you add the hot water to it, the honey will dissolve. I'll be squeezing half a fresh lemon in this, because sometimes when you let the lemon boil in it, you don't get that nutrient out of it. So squeeze in half a fresh lemon, and then we're gonna pour in our tea in it. So go ahead and pour your tea out. The reason why I put the honey in it is just to give it that natural sweetness, and honey is very healthy for you. And not only that, this chamomile tea is smoothing, especially with the lemon in it, and it is perfect for a cozy evening or stress-free moment. Give this a try and let me know in the comment. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and do leave a positive comment. This smoothing chamomile and fresh lemon tea is a great tea that helps you to relax and keep you calm. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Thank you.